Welcome to Guided Meditations with Life Coach Craig. I am grateful you are here, taking this time to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with yourself. Each meditation is designed to support you in finding calm, presence, and gentle awareness, one breath at a time. Let's begin. Find a place where you won't be disturbed. If you are sitting in a chair, allow your back to rest against the support. Place both feet flat on the floor. Sit upright, lengthening through the spine, with the crown of your head lifting gently skyward. Draw your shoulders back and down, opening your chest. These small adjustments create space, an openness in the body that mirrors the openness we're inviting in the heart. Let your hands rest comfortably in your lap. Feel the steadiness of the ground beneath you. Allow yourself to arrive here fully. Once you are comfortable, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently release it out. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Notice how each breath touches this tender center. Feel the nourishment of each inhale, the soft release of each exhale. Breathing is your constant reminder that you are connected to life, to the world, to all beings. With each breath, imagine your heart softening, becoming more spacious, more receptive to kindness. Every inhale is a gift offered freely by the world around you. Every exhale is your offering back, a gentle exchange with life itself. Allow this steady rhythm to anchor you here. Now, slowly scan through your body. Notice the crown of your head, your forehead, the soft muscles around your eyes. Move your awareness gently down to your jaw. Is it tight or relaxed. Allow it to soften. Bring your attention to your shoulders, your arms, your hands resting gently. Notice your chest, your belly. How does this part of you feel right now? Move downward to your hips, your legs, your feet resting on the earth. Whatever you discover, tension, ease, restlessness, warmth, simply allow it to be here. There is no need to push anything away. This is the reality of being you in this moment. Hold each sensation as you would hold a friend's hand, with kindness, with patience, with care. Now, bring to mind something you appreciate about yourself. It could be your strength, your compassion, or simply your willingness to sit in meditation today. Let that recognition warm your heart. Remember, goodness is already within you. From this space, begin to offer yourself the timeless wishes of loving kindness. Let the words move gently through you, like a stream flowing softly over stones. May I feel safe and protected. May I feel happy and peaceful. May I feel healthy and strong. May I live with ease. Allow these words to echo through your whole being. Feel them landing in your heart. If it helps, imagine yourself as a small child or as a beloved friend receiving these words from you. Offer them gently, tenderly. Notice how your body responds. Perhaps there is warmth in your chest, softness in your face, or even the beginning of a smile. Let it all be welcome. At times, your mind may wander into thought, memory, or distraction. When you notice, return softly to the phrases. There is no need to judge or criticize yourself. Each moment of returning is itself an act of kindness. Ask yourself, what would it feel like to come back with gentleness, without judgment, with simple care for myself here and now? Repeat the phrases once more, slowly, with presence. May I feel safe. May I feel happy. May I feel healthy. May I live with ease. Let each phrase settle like a seed planted in fertile soil. Trust that with time, these seeds of kindness will grow. As we near the close of this meditation, remember this truth. It is both natural and right for you to treat yourself with kindness. Life will bring challenges. Obstacles will appear, but you need not add to your suffering by turning against yourself. In any moment, you can pause and return to love, to tenderness, to compassion. See yourself now walking into the rest of your day with this gentle strength. this warmth of self-compassion. And know the kindness you offer yourself here will naturally ripple outward, touching the way you speak, the way you listen, the way you move through the world. Take one last deep breath in and gently let it go. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the steadiness of the ground beneath you. And when you are ready, softly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to pause and reconnect with yourself today. Remember, the peace and spaciousness you cultivate here are always within you, available with each breath. Until next time, be well.